So we're at Lake Haven RV Retreat. This is their office. You can take a quick walk around. They are pet friendly. We're walking around with our dog right now. Over here is their washer room as well as their laundry room. They have like 6 washer and dryers, so I'm pretty sure you'll never have to wait. Out there in the distance, they have a freaking dog park, which is pretty awesome. Beyond the dog park, you can see there's a lake. It is really windy today. We're expecting a thunderstorm. It doesn't seem like there's going to be much flooding here, which is awesome. There's one half of the RV park. We're staying on the other. They also have a volleyball net. And then if you can see, there's a gate, which is closed when the office is closed, but they give you a key card, so it's very secure to get in and out with trailers and your cars. And then all back there's tons of RV spots from back-ins and pull-throughs. The area is mostly maintenance, but there's an area in front that you can have social gatherings. It overlooks the lake again. This place also has RV storage, so if you're in the area and you need to store stuff. And then right next door is the fire department, so it'll be super safe in case of any events. Luckily there hasn't been any major fires in the area, so it's not going crazy. It's not going off all the time. And it's a really nice campground. We're about 15-20 minutes from downtown Indianapolis, which is awesome, but you would never think it. And it's really awesome here. I highly recommend it.